Alright, so welcome to my gold trade breakdown. So gagawin ko muna is ako ay mag-create ng order. I have to partial sa sell, ay sa buy here. And then I'm actually going to minimize my risk. Okay. So this is my gold trade breakdown in the London session, most especially sa 2 p.m. and dito sa ating 90-minute cycle. Okay, so I can see here I am in the discount. Later I will show the higher time frame. I'm in the discount and I see a lot of good confluence, a pattern, a high probability entry. So we are below the midnight open. It means we will be buying, and also we are below the DTCC. So itong pattern na to is really known. Meron tayo ditong IFVG because this is a displace below. Okay, nag-displace dito sa low na to. May mapakita ko, nag-displace below and then it was broken. When it was broken, we see a good pattern here. So, meron pa tayong isa pang IFVG na na-break. Ito yung first really good pattern kasi nabalikan na siya. So, kung nabalikan siya, so this is mitigated, but it was mitigated again. Hindi ko in-expect na mag-mitigate siya again. That's why yung aking stop loss was here because I was actually counting this. No? Dapat nga dito pa sa baba. But I just counted the close nitong candle na to. So, this is an IFVG, so that's why yung aking stop loss is nandito. Now, when the break to, nag-displace, we're at the 2 p.m. Okay, so this macro, okay, this is the macro. Oh, sorry. I have a 20-minute macro, no, from 120 to 140. So this is my IFVG on this 120 macro. So I mark that out, extend it, and then nung dumating ang 150 macro, so this whole balance price range, no, is our reference. Ito yung ating very interesting kasi balance price range siya. So ngayon nakita natin talaga nag-balance price range kasi CB, BC, and then naging naging breakaway gap. So yeah, nag-range dito and then boom, may displace dito. Kaya ako nag-trade dyan. But I still put here because meron pa ditong IFVG. So that's why yung stop loss ko lang dyan. So now, yun entry, and then my target actually is the premium. Premium on the higher time frame internal range liquidity. So let's go to the breakdown. So in the monthly, you obviously very pushing to another all-time high. So wag magkatabili na maghanap ng buy setup. So let's go into the weekly. The weekly, so malalaki yung candle, wala pa ako makitang masyadong rejection. And this low, okay, this low here taps the previous, no, may order block dito. Okay, that's why ang hinahanap ko is to close above the previous close, hanggang dito lang. So it will be like a rejection block. So on the weekly, we can see that although nag-close, so last day is naghanap ako ng sell dito pattern, but eventually nag-close sa above the previous daily open. Okay, so that's why there's a bullish movement na dito because this one is a change to state of delivery on most lower time frame, but showing lang that this one is a fair value gap because nagkaroon ng balance price range dito, price range, and then I'm targeting actually the equal highs. Ito yung equal highs. Okay, so meron tayong relative equal high dyan. And syempre, ito yung pinakamalayo eh. So, yun lang, pinakamalayo. Pero, if we are looking at this, nandun tayo sa discount. So, now, I go to the 4R, maghahanap tayo ng other reason. So, other reason, because meron tayo itong fair value gap, now it was being traded. And meron tayo dito IFVG, and it was being respected. Okay? this IFBG plus this fair value gap is a balanced price range, and this one is the change in the state of delivery. So that's why there's a movement. So nasa discount na tayo, tamang-tama yan to move up and get these relative equal highs. So this relative equal high, ito yung ating draw on liquidity on the far side kasi masyadong malayo. Pero ang immediate ko lang is this Asian range. Okay? Kasi ano sila, relative equal high. That's why ito lang gusto kong i-target actually, Asian range. Kasi ideal yun. Medyo London session lang tayo. Hindi tayo buong mag-hold and trade sa buong araw. So, you see here, it never closes below. Almost, yeah, but it's just a little. But yun nga, meron tayong pattern kasi na nakita. That's why we traded the buy. So now, we will be waiting if mag-close siya above this CB. Pag close siya above this CB is an indicator na agad that this will be a inverted or IFPG, and that's a really good indication. Magkakaroon to ng balance price range, so it will act as a support now. Okay, ito lang yung kinuha lang dito yung mga orders na. So nag-trap ng sales and now it's trapping the buyers. That's really good order flow. Okay, so now we are seeing that, and then I will be doing a break even. So ano yung tsura niya kanina? So ito yung tsura niya kanina, nag-trade ako. Okay, so you can see that nandito yung sa 2648.30 and now yun nga yun. So 2648.33 ba? 30. Okay, 33.433. So now this is my current trade at dito actually entry niya. Actually sakto na entry niya sa 90-minute cycle, which is the point 47 or 67. So if going to entry here, kapag meron dito nagmanipulate, okay, so pwedeng dito bumaba pa dito, trading this breaker again, the really lower time frame breaker alongside with this displacement. So a good thing, so mag-catch tayo with the almost in the turtle soup, pero actually nasa displacement na tayo. This one is the manipulation phase for the market buy model. Pero still hindi yan ba, I'm not expecting to go here. So at least I will be taking a partial here already. So this one is a 50% partial, 0.25 partial, and then the full TP. So yun lang. It's really good one, this London session, because actually dito naghihintay ako dito ng sell sa premium, but while doing the premium, since meron tayong manipulation on the internal range liquidity on the daily, on the weekly, daily, yeah, and the daily and the 4-hour, I wanted to buy first kasi sa New York I'm expecting a bearish movement because of DTCC and CLS. CLS will be bearish and then DTCC will be bearish, and because we are still moving low because of this raid and all the displacement and manipulation on the buy side, meron lang kulang na manipulation dito. Okay, so I'm expecting manipulation on this Asian range, so it will be like a ping pong, right? So up here and then down there, and because this is a really good price action on the downside on the discount part of the whole hourly order flow that is bearish, no? Makita natin dito madami ditong mga manipulation, but although this one actually is already manipulated na pala, no? So okay, this is already manipulated. So yeah, so lalong tumibay that it will be bearish, right? Tama yung ating DTCC, it should be bearish, but we'll be waiting, no? Kasi dito meron din dito meron din akong minark dito na volume imbalance. Yan, volume imbalance. So every time magka-touch sa volume imbalance, there will be a reaction. But here, boom, reaction, then here. So I'm expecting to go there because this is the premium sa hourly, no? And then from there, we can end the trade. So knowingly, nasa baba rin tayo ng DTCC and midnight New York open. So I'm opening a buy. So pag mamaya nandito siya sa above the midnight open, I'm not sure kung tataas pa siya sa DTCC or the equal high ng Asia. So the New York will be selling, okay, really good. Makapit tayo mag-entry for later. But for now, I'll stop the video. Yun lang aking breakdown for the London session gold.